Hi, my name is Joy Free, and I was looking through these career profiles. One that I found that I was interested in was foster care case manager. This particular job is with Alabama Mentor, and that is a part of a nationwide team known as Mentor, where they try to bring caring closer to individuals. There are 6 offices in Alabama, and the closest one to me is in Huntsville, Alabama, located on 1200 Jordan Lane. Our phone number is 256-964-6287, and their website is www.al-mentor.com. I didn't have a career contact, so what I did find out about them was through the internet. They seem to have a smaller organization, as there are multiple locations throughout the U.S. You spend a good amount of time driving to clients' homes in this position. Job description does mention the possibility of having to work later times, depending on if there's an emergency situation that needs to be dealt with. So the stressors in this job would be there are times that there's some emergency situations, and so you're working some unusual hours. There's a lot of paperwork to do, a lot of running around, and it can be difficult to have your concerns heard. You have to deal with people with varied difficulties. The benefits of this job is that it has career growth. It has jobs locally, and it also has jobs throughout the nation. They offer competitive pay. They offer mileage reimbursement for the miles that you put on your car driving to clients' homes. There's healthcare coverage, which includes dental, vision, 401k, life insurance, long-term disability, as well as healthcare and dependent care flexible spending accounts. So some of the common job tasks with this job is working with foster parents and children. Reliable transportation is a must. It requires weekly meetings with program director, staff, and weekly visits to home where foster parents and children are residing. There are times you'll need to work outside of regular hours to help in emergency type situations. So the educational requirements, this job requires a bachelor's degree in one of the following fields: human services, psychology, social work, or a related field. A year of work experience in the field is another requirement. A valid driver's license with a good driving record and reliable transportation is a must. A local, state, and background check is also needed. Well, what I found through PayScale, not directly through their website, was that the range that they would pay for a case manager is anywhere from $13 for a starting salary for an hour, $13 an hour, to $20 an hour. And it's good to keep in mind that although this is a nationally recognized institution, that each location that they operate in does not have identical working conditions. Management on site is different than management that is not located there. I was reading information, reviews from people who had worked there, and some people really loved their jobs and other people did not. And they were in different locations, so I thought that was very useful information to know that even though you might be working under one big parent company, you should really do your homework and check under the individual smaller companies to make sure that you know that you're getting the kind of job that you're interested in. And this is what I found out about this position of foster care case manager. And I hope that you were able to learn something. Thank you.